In this quick guide, I'll show you how to start staking on Binance. First, log into your Binance account through the website or mobile app. Make sure your account is verified and you already have the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Go to the Earn section from the top menu and select Staking or Locked Staking. From the list, find the coin you want to stake. Click Subscribe next to your chosen option. Enter the amount of coins, select the staking period, for example, 30, 60, or 120 days. The longer the period, the higher the potential rewards. Confirm the terms, tick the agreement box, and click Confirm. That's it. Your coins are now staked and you'll start earning rewards based on your chosen plan. When the staking period ends, your coins will be automatically returned to your spot wallet along with the earned interest. I can also make you a more advanced version with tips on choosing the best staking coins for 2025.